Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Tune into Behind the Money, where we tell the story of the most interesting public companies. Don't miss an episode every other Friday by subscribing to Morris Money. Today, I'm talking about multiple topics. First, Lucid Motors saving nearly $100 million. Second, Surg and their earnings coming up tomorrow, and a couple more topics within the video. First, let's start with Lucid Motors. On the Money Minute, which is our Morris Money YouTube shorts, so if you don't check them out, make sure to watch them because we post multiple times a day, and we post everything from stocks to recaps from videos we do, or possible teasers for videos that we're going to do, like this one. But it was estimated by Morgan Stanley that the actions that Lucid Motors took with the job cuts and the multiple cuts that the company has been doing can save the electric vehicle maker in the order of more than $100 million of expenses on an annualized basis, which implies a payback period of just about 1 month. Prior to the actions, the forecast was that Lucid Motors would burn $3.5 billion of free cash in the fiscal year 2023, of which $1.8 billion is cash burn from operations. What's also interesting to know here is that Morgan Stanley actually reiterated an underweight rating on Lucid Motors and a price target of $5. But Morgan Stanley believes that the company has an attractive suite of technologies and can be a relevant player in the fast-growing electric vehicle business with the correct cost controls. An interesting take from Morgan Stanley, especially after we just heard that they were cutting 20% of the jobs, but I guess that does help Lucid Motors as a whole. Next, a reminder that Behind the Money comes on now almost every Friday. And this Friday, we are talking about one of Nike's most prevalent brands, one that actually probably made Nike relevant and has sustained Nike's growth up to this day, the Jordan brand. Friday, we're going to talk about the Jordan brand specifically from Nike, and it's going to be a great video, so hope you tune in. Next and finally, I'm talking about Surg Pay. I talked about Surg Pay last week, and I talked about how I had bought the stock as I saw momentum going into earnings this week, and I was actually planning on selling it, which I did, but by mistake, I had a sell order in with a limit price of $4.50. And this actually didn't fill yesterday, but filled this morning, which I didn't expect. But it is a profit for me, 30 cents profit per share, which isn't too bad. But anybody that is in Surg Pay got another 8% today with the stock closing at $4.81. Just something that I wanted to know and talk about since I did talk about the stock last week. And another thing, earnings come out tomorrow, Thursday. So be on the lookout for those, and I might just cover them in an upcoming video. Let me know your thoughts on these topics below. This was a different type of video than I usually do. I usually talk about one topic, but there was actually a couple things I wanted to talk about today, so I thought I'd bring them all together into one video. Let me know what you think about this format down below, and if you want to see more videos like this. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.